This digital book is separated into 3 unique areas. Eating Phase 1. The beginning segment of the Red Tea Detox gives factual information on the most extreme importance of how detoxifying the body before weight reduction planning can start, how the fact that poisons can give the metabolism problems, and the overall advantages of using the Red Tea program for both the body and mind. What's more, additionally, it announces the particular points of interest, how vitality-rich nourishments can enable program users to lose weight faster than any other diet plan they may have tried before. Exercise. The activity area is intended to work hand in hand with the eating routine segment of the Red Tea Detox. Naturopath and 6th best Amazon e-book writer Liz Swann Miller's most recent book, The Red Tea Detox, clarifies how anybody can lose up to 14 pounds in only 14 days by making and drinking their own tasty red tea as taught in the book. The program has been helping a huge number of people to shed pounds. Liz, herself, lost 41 pounds since making the red tea a necessity in her life. So drawing from my own particular encounters, and also from what I had gained from my qualifications, I started to compose how to lose weight books. My definitive objective is to teach people who have the same predicament as I went through about the healing powers of food and drink and show how easy it is to incorporate these changes into their daily life. What is the Red Tea Detox program? The ebook includes a complete 14-day meal plan that includes recipes for satisfying the appetite and delicious snacks to halt any cravings instantly. The meal plan covers 4 phases: the Red Tea Detox Phase 1, days 1 to 5, the Red Tea Detox Phase 2, D6, the Red Tea Detox Phase 3, days 7 and 8, Phase 4, calorie restriction based on BMR. The Red Tea Detox Workout, an exercise program which has the potential to almost double fat-burning results. Not only did it stop my hunger cravings, but it also burned fat and boosted my energy. I knew I had to get the word out, so I wrote the Red Tea Detox so that others who are struggling, had helped to lose excess weight and get the lean body of their dreams, without exercising more or buying expensive weight loss drugs. Who is this diet program planned for? The Red Tea Detox is a fantastic purifying system that when the member effectively follows the formula it aids, it allows them to detoxify their body and shed pounds rapidly and healthily. It permits any person who unyieldingly adheres to the program, help to lose no less than 14 pounds in only 14 days. The formula contains nourishment through the means of a hot drink. Why does this program work so well? The red tea is simply fantastically refreshing and tastes amazing. On the plus side, the easy-to-follow detoxification plans that go with it is solidified in sound scientific codes and principles. It helps to flush released toxins and fat from the body and more. The fact of the matter is all 5 unique ingredients work together to effectively detox the body and helps to flush fat away in as little as 4 hours from the first sip. Are there any secrets behind the plan? This new rule is about reducing your chronically high stress levels and balancing your hormones. You will feel calmer and weigh less. Rule 3. Exercise less, lose more weight. Do this right, and fat layers under your skin vanish, excess pounds disappear. Anyone can drop a dress or a pant size in 2 weeks, as the whole body becomes firmer, sexier, and trimmer.